everybody, it's Jo back again. Yesterday I said that I would walk you through the steps of Colours of the Wind. So I'm not actually going to walk you through them, I'm going to talk you through them with the music playing very quietly in the background. And at the end of the dance I will finish this particular clip. And then perhaps a little later on I will dance it again with the music at full volume. But at this particular clip the music is not supposed to be at full volume, so you can hear me talking to the steps to you. Hope you like it. One, two, three, touch and back touch. 1, 2, 3, touch and back touch. 1, 2, 3, touch and back touch. 1, 2, 3, touch and back touch. Arms. One, 2, 3, touch and back touch. 1, 2, 3, touch and back touch. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, touch and back touch. 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 And again. And again. And one more. Into the centre, arms. And back, and in, and back. Side in front, replace. Side in front, replace. Side in front, replace. Side in front, replace. Sway. Beautiful colours, wind. One, 2, 3, touch and back touch. 1, 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 2, 3 and back touch, and one more. Right over right shoulder and pause. Back the other way. Crescendo. In and back. And in and back. Side in front, replace. Side in front, replace. And again. And in. I hope you like this. Until we meet again.